You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bag.
Well, the opportunity hit, and I'm taking it. Another video. This video is going to be on a Outlander made by Mitsubishi. Problem on this vehicle is customer states Bluetooth exhaust is too loud. I'm gonna play it for you. Here we go. Sound powerful, don't it? Here we have a Bluetooth exhaust. Can y'all tell me what's wrong with this picture? Well, let me spray that with some Freol, which I wish they had back in the 1850s. Free all. Alright, so we got a Freol on there. Let that sit for a little bit. So whosoever took this cat out was a trained professional. Clean, nice cut. Probably a diamond blade. But it's alright. Here's the plug. What the? Bruh, you serious? This shit inside the car? Is this shit inside? No, we gotta go in the car, bro. We gotta go inside the car. You gotta be kidding me. Okay. And then this one, let me go do my crash cart. I'm gonna see how much I can get done with the Milwaukee. Your downstream is gonna be plugged in. Yeah, that's your downstream. Your upstream is somewhere in here. I gotta take out all this trim. Move the carpet. Try to find that plug. So I'm gonna plug it, get back onto the car, take the sensors out, remove that pipe, and knock this shit out. You can see plug where it comes in through. Yay! Floorboard. Onto the carpet. So you gotta take 2 trim pieces out, pull the carpet up, and I'm going to pull this foam out of the way in order to get to the plug. You gotta take out a screw in here, pull this back to get this bracket out, pop that, and unplug it. And there it is. Well, that ends this video on the Bluetooth exhaust for the Outlander. Alright, so we got it fixed, ready to go. Well, after it gets welded next week, and I'll put the clamps on. Peace. Appreciate y'all watching.